Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something fun. I already have some folks asking me about my eyebrows. Are they laminated? No, they are not. No lamination, no chemicals here. I used to laminate them, but yeah, my eyebrows are falling out. So I figured out a new way to do these eyebrows without using any chemicals. Only hair gel, a fan, and a brush. And I'm gonna teach you how very quick and easy for this finished look. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna get started. Laminating your eyebrows without actually laminating your eyebrows because we don't need to go to the salon. We can do this at home for cheap, and let me show you. You need three things. You need a spoolie, which I know people are knowing this from lashes, but it has a brush on the end, and then it has like a flat little top thing at the other end, and so this will brush and this will flatten. I ordered this from Amazon, very cheap. You can get a whole pack of them for cheap. That's what you need. Second thing, this is the secret ingredient. This is Got2B hair gel glued. I bought a pack with 3 of these for $23 on Amazon. And so I'm never running out. This is actually still my first pack that I've been using, but this is the key to making your eyebrows stick. And last but not least, you don't have to have this, but I like to have it. I like to have a little fan just to help me dry the gel a little bit faster, but you don't need it, but it's nice to have it. Or you could just fan, or you can just wait patiently, honestly. So those are the 3 things you need for your eyebrows. But I also, key thing is my eyebrows are already threaded, so they're already shaped and like trimmed a little bit, but it's up to you if you get them waxed or if you want them to look very natural, all up to you. You want to start with the blank canvas, nothing on your face, because once you use the gel, it can get a little bit flaky. So I like to kind of moisturize first, and so I always start with my redness solution, Clinique. It's something I've been using for a very long time, and so it helps with my redness because my face gets really dry and sometimes flaky with redness, and this kind of helps me. Let me pin my hair back a little bit. Moisturizing is very important, Once you moisturize that, I like to use a priming moisturizer just because it's winter right now and it's very dry, and it helps me with my foundation after. So I have this Glossier primer. It smells like lavender. You're all moisturized, you're all shiny, you feel not dry anymore. Perfect. So once you're done moisturizing, this is the part where you pay attention, okay? So you're gonna take the hair gel and you're gonna put a little bit on the brush. Kind of like when you put toothpaste on a brush. And then you're gonna spread it all around your eyebrow. So you wanna kind of put it all over your eyebrow just to get a little moisturized with the gel. Because it's gonna be a little wet at first. And then you wanna do it to the other eyebrow. You don't have to put too much. A little can go a long way. Just spread it all around. So as the gel is still kind of wet, I like to take my fan and dry a little bit. Once you dry a little bit, it gets a little easier to kind of form into whatever eyebrow shape you want. So you want to dry it just a little bit. I would say about like maybe 5 to 6 seconds. Once you kind of feel it, like it's not very soft, it's not very like wet, it's a little dry. So you want to kind of press the brush down and push upwards. Don't press too hard, but enough for it to shape. See? And then I like to take the end part and I like to flatten it down. So it's shaped a little bit, and then you can brush it again to shape it the way you want. I can feel it getting a little bit more dry. Boom, very bushy. So a good easy way to kind of shape it the way you want. If you like it bushy, you could just spread it up more, but you can just like go on the top and go like this to kind of shape it more. But make sure you do it in a good amount of time because If you don't, you're gonna get a little flakes like this, and you don't want that, so you can just push it. Cool. Now, especially like this, I take my fan one more time and I dry it. And you know what's wild? That's pretty much it. And they stay all night. So, for the girlies that want to add a little bit more texture, to add a little bit more hair, you can always fill it out with an eyebrow pencil. Here I'm using the Anastasia eyebrow pencil. And you know, I like to fill in a couple spots, but not too much to make it obvious. But if you don't have that much hair, you can always fill it in the way you want. Boom, and that's literally it. And so after this, I like to put on my foundation, do my makeup. But if you wanna go, you know, just natural and just have your eyebrows done, this is it, this is the look. Because sometimes like, you might not want to do a makeup day and you just wanna have your eyebrows done. Sometimes eyebrows make the whole look. But I'm gonna do my makeup real quick and then we can put this all together. But this is the finish. It is just hair gel. Got2B hair gel. I know you girlies are spending, I don't know how much lamination, I forgot. I think like mine was 60 or something, but $23, you get 3 of these and you just do it like this at home. Lasts all day, all night. Tell me I'm wrong. Try it and tell me I'm wrong. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup real quick and we can finish off the look. Okay, this is the finished look with the eyebrows. I have foundation on, concealer, highlighter, lip liner, lipstick. This is it with the eyebrows. Like I said before, starting with the eyebrows is always best because if I had foundation on and then did the eyebrows with the gel, it would be so flaky. And so, what do y'all think? If you like this look and you want me to do more makeup tutorials or whatever, or anything you're interested in, please leave a comment below, subscribe, like, put a notification on anything. I'm trying this new YouTube thing. But yeah, thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed. Okay, bye.